Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I've got a really fun recipe for you, and it's using up some of your leftover bolognese to make some lasagna loaded chips. If you love some chips, if you love the bolognese part of a lasagna, you love the lasagna toppings, then you're just going to love this. Put together in the air fryer, it's just absolutely delicious. Ingredients that you need frozen chips. Our favourite are McCain's Gastro chips. They're absolutely delicious. We've got some dolmio, leftover bolognese and some grated cheese. And then I would cook the chips in the basket like I normally would, because you don't want to put them in a container because the air won't circulate and they won't be as nice. But once the chips are nearly done and you add in the bolognese, you'll want something to cook them on. So I recommend either the foil or the paper liners. It depends on the size of your air fryer basket, because these foil trays don't fit every air fryer size, whereas a paper liner, it's so easy to stretch it to whatever size you're using. So just go with personal judgment of which one you prefer to use. And of course, with the leftover bolognese, it's good for 3 days in the fridge. And also remember to put it in some of your favourite Tupperware, put it in the fridge, and then you can make these delicious leftover recipes with it. So let's get started, shall we? So I'm just going to put the other ingredients to one side for now. Get out the air fryer basket. And then Gastro chips. And then we're loaded up there with a portion of the Gastro chips. A few that are stuck together, but they'll be alright as it cooks. So if you've not seen it already, we have got our time and temperature chart. It's this one here, and it has a section dedicated to frozen. So following on from this, let's have a take a look. So I would consider these to be chunky chips. So for these, they're about 21 minutes at 180. You don't need them quite there because you're loading them up with toppings and putting them back on. So I'm going to go with 15 minutes to get these started. So grab out your air fryer, turn it on, and then you're looking at 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. And then I'm starting it with a cook time of 15 minutes. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. And wow, look at those chips so far, don't they look fantastic? I love chips in the air fryer. And then put them back on. I'm going for a high temperature now. So 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit, another 3 minutes, and then we can load them up. And we've beeped. Oh wow, look at those chips. They look fantastic. Now they need loading up into bolognese chips. So then now it's decision time. Is it going to be the foil or the paper? I've decided to use the foil because I find it easier if I add in the chips to it, but I have to squeeze it around in the fillets to get it to fit. Grab your chips. Oh, that's a good sized portion. They look lovely. So now you've done that, you can actually do it directly in the air fryer basket on the foil tray, or you can just do it outside of it. So I'm going to do it directly here. I'm going to zoom in so you can check it out as I prep it. So then I've got some leftover bolognese. So I'm just going to get a big dessert spoon for this. And then what you can do is you can just spread it over the top of your chips. This is great if you had some bolognese or lasagna or any of those other favourites, because it's a great way to make use of your leftovers. And then that'll do. And look, I've still got a few bits left over for another recipe. And then I'm struggling with this because my hands are a bit sticky from the bolognese. And then grab your spoon, and then you can add little layers of it. I haven't used this stuff for years, but somebody recommended it for on top of your chips. So we'll have to see what it's like. So a bit around there as well. And then you can also shake it about a bit if you wanted. And then finally, adding in some cheese. And then look at that, doesn't that look fantastic? And now it's just perfect for popping back into the air fryer. Oh, a little bit of cheese. Open up your air fry basket, and then you can pop it in. And then I find it just fits this size of air fryer. So you can just spread it out. And look at that, doesn't that look fantastic? A little bit of bare bits of cheese sections there, so I'm just going to add a little bit more cheese. Apart from that, it's ready to go on. Oh wow, I'm hungry now. 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, 8 minutes, and then press start. And we've beeped. So shall we check on it and see what these loaded chips look like, shall we? Are you ready for it? Oh wow, that just looks fantastic. I'm so hungry now. I mean, look at that, doesn't that look amazing? So I've got my tea towel out ready because it's going to be a bit hot. Air fryer out the way, and let's take a closer look. I mean, oh wow, doesn't that look fantastic? I can't believe how good that looks. I'm just wondering, should I put more cheese on? So you've got your chips, you've got your bolognese, you've got your lasagna sauce on top, loads of melted cheese. I mean, oh wow, look at that. That is so good. And then you've got the chips there as well, and the proper chippy chips. They are so nice. Most definitely the best loaded chips I've done. Oh, more of that bolognese. Oh, I mean, look at that, doesn't it look fab? Oh, brilliant. In a tray as well, so not much cleaning up to do. It just goes so well together. I can't believe how good that tastes. It's an absolute winner. So if you've got any leftovers, you could do the same with some cottage pie leftovers as well. You know, just think of when you've got some leftover mince and you don't know what to do with it. This is just perfect. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the complete air fryer cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.